Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Sunday, June 7th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors across Southeast Asia, the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, Singapore, and beyond. Let's get straight into today's three stories. Coming up first, Bitcoin's RSI crashes to a deep oversold level. Bitcoin's daily relative strength index has crashed to 16, one of the deepest oversold readings since the 2022 bear market. The trigger was Friday's U.S. non-farm payrolls, which printed 172,000 new jobs versus an 85,000 consensus, killing near-term rate cut hopes. The dollar surged, the Korean won and Philippine peso both hit multi-year lows, and Bitcoin sliced through $60,000 to a weekend low of $59,100 before rebounding to $60,500. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs bled $326 million on June 5th, led by BlackRock's IBIT at minus $213 million. The 200-week moving average sits at 61,800. The line bulls have to defend. For Southeast Asian holders, weak local currencies cushion the dollar drop, so the pain in peso, dong, or rupiah is roughly half of what the chart shows. Next, a major move from Ethereum's co-founder Joseph Lubin. Now to a story that will reshape how Southeast Asian investors read whale movements. Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin moved 80,000 ETH, about $122 million, out of a wallet dormant for 3 years. Headlines screamed dump, but the on-chain data tells the opposite story. Lubin did not send the coins to any exchange. He deposited them into MakerDAO as collateral and minted roughly $209 million worth of DAI stablecoin. This is a leverage move, not a sell. He is borrowing dollars against his ETH while keeping the upside. At the same time, F2 Pool co-founder Chun Wang quietly pulled 17,560 ETH, about $28.7 million, off Binance into a private wallet. When two heavyweight founders are accumulating near $1,500 instead of selling, that is the smart money footprint Southeast Asian traders should watch, not the panic candle. Finally, a landmark regulatory move in the US that SEA regulators are watching. And now to the regulatory story with biggest Southeast Asia implications. Illinois became the first U.S. state to pass a crypto privilege tax. State lawmakers approved a 0.2% tax on every crypto transaction, expected to generate $60 million in fiscal year 2027, now on Governor Pritzker's desk. The bill also includes 2 to 5 year felony penalties for operating as an unregistered crypto broker. This matters far beyond Illinois. The Philippine Bureau of Internal Revenue, Vietnam's 2027 Digital Asset Law, Thailand's SEC, and Indonesia's BAPE-BTI are all watching U.S. state-level precedent closely. A 0.2% tax sounds tiny, but applied to a high-frequency trader doing 20 round trips a month, it quietly erodes around 4% of capital per year. Expect Southeast Asian regulators to study this Illinois model carefully. Quick recap of today's three stories. 1. Bitcoin RSI crashes to 16 plus $59,100 weekend low. 2. Joseph Lubin moves 80,000 ETH to MakerDAO. 3. Illinois passes first U.S. state crypto privilege tax. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.